Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and AI are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. I want you guys to see how MU, which is Micron, had a 423% increase in institutional bearish pressure. No surprises as to why the stock drops more than 5% as a result. What our AI is detecting is that typically only about $463 million of the stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, it was nearly $2 billion. So more than $1 billion of extra bearish volume. No wonder it's making such a large directional move. Now, it's important to get access to that information early. Again, that's why we use these private exchanges that large market makers trade on, and it's also why we use machine learning algorithms to identify in real time. You can see down here at 8:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll move that out of the way there so you guys can check it out. 8:07 a.m. Micron, nearly 12 times the average amount of bearish volume than is normally there. Now, if you were to have done put options on Micron, you could see a huge list of triple-digit winners. For example, let's say that you had done the $65 put option. We're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up in the pre-market. So from market open to the maximum possible return, it's an over 1,000% gain. Even if you didn't exit until the end of the day, that's still 461%. Maybe you didn't enter the trade until 9:40, 9:45, 9:50 after the options had already moved a little bit, and then maybe you got out over here at a bad early exit. That's still a 123% return. The whole purpose and the whole point is get access to the data down here instead of trying to chase it over here, or even worse, over here. And it wasn't just Micron. There were many other opportunities. We only have time to go through maybe one or two more of them. So let's take a look at the trending downside of the equation. We want to see LYFT, L-Y-F-T. 182% increase in institutional bearish pressure. No surprises, the stock drops nearly 5% as a result. So you could see there's a massive increase in the private exchange networks, what we track with our real-time algorithms and machine learning technology. And you can see that the alert was posted at 8:07 a.m., actually just right after Micron, 3.51 times the average amount of bearish volume. Let's go to the options chain and find LYFT. You can see a nice list of triple-digit winners. So for example, let's say you had done the $10 put option, had the most daily volume and open interest, would have been an easy go-to. This is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time at its maximum from open to peak percentage. It's about a 290% return. Maybe you didn't even get in the trade until nearly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then maybe you got out early at a 186% return. Maybe you just scalped something over here for a quick 65% return later on in the day. Again, the whole point and the whole purpose is get the data here, stop chasing it over here. One more quick example here. We'll go ahead and take a look at plug from the trending up side of the equation. So if we go to our mid-cap space, you guys can see PLUG there towards the top of the board ended up making a almost 6.5% jump. Let's go see when the algorithms and AI were able to pick up on that activity from large institutional traders, 8:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1.7 times the bullish volume on the green side. Or plug, nice list of triple-digit winners as well. We'll stick with the $10 call option and the 15-minute chart. At its maximum at one point, it was up as much as almost 500%. And congrats to everyone sharing their success stories with us here today. Like I said, we don't have time to go through too many of these examples, but for example, you can see Rivian here at the top of the list and people sharing success stories saying, hey, thanks, made 163% on my Rivian call options, ended up making, nearly 60% here. This was one of our new users, one of their first trades ever using our system. Nice 50-60% return there. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.